The role of 5 grams in Industry 4.0, Smart Manufacturing. Title: The role of 5 grams in Industry 4.0, Smart Manufacturing. Introduction. In recent years, the concept of Industry 4.0 has gained significant momentum, revolutionizing the way factories and manufacturing plants operate. This article explores the role of 5 grams in Industry 4.0's transformative journey towards smart manufacturing and how it enhances efficiency, productivity, and overall industrial operations. 1. Enabling the connectivity infrastructure. One of the key elements of smart manufacturing is the seamless connection and communication between machines, devices, and systems. Here, 5 grams plays a pivotal role in establishing a robust and reliable connectivity infrastructure. This enables real-time data exchange, remote monitoring, and control, paving the way for autonomous systems and intelligent decision-making. 2. Real-time data analytics and predictive maintenance. The arrival of 5 grams brings a paradigm shift in data analytics and predictive maintenance in the manufacturing industry. Traditionally, data collection and analysis in manufacturing plants were time-consuming and relatively limited in scope. However, 5 grams high-speed data transfer capabilities allow real-time collection and transmission of vast volumes of data. By leveraging this technology, manufacturers can now minimize downtime, reduce maintenance costs, and improve overall operational efficiency. 3. Collaborative robotics and automation. The integration of robotics and automation has been instrumental in empowering smart manufacturing. With 5 grams, robotics and automation systems can exchange data and instructions swiftly and efficiently. This facilitates seamless human-robot collaboration, allowing robots to perform intricate tasks requiring real-time feedback. The high speed and low latency of 5 grams eliminates communication delays, making it suitable for applications such as collaborative assembly, pick-and-place operations, and material handling. This level of automation not only enhances productivity but also ensures safety by reducing the risk of accidents and injuries in the manufacturing environment. 4. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR. The convergence of 5 grams and AR/VR technologies has the potential to revolutionize the way manufacturers design, simulate, and optimize their production processes. This not only saves time and cost but also improves the overall efficiency and accuracy of training and design processes. Furthermore, AR can provide real-time guidance to workers on the factory floor, improving productivity and reducing errors. 5. Supply chain optimization and logistics. Efficient supply chain management is critical for manufacturing companies striving for optimal productivity. With 5 grams, manufacturers can optimize their supply chain operations through enhanced connectivity and real-time tracking. The high-speed data transmission capabilities enable seamless coordination between suppliers, manufacturers, distributors, and customers. This facilitates real-time inventory management, accurate demand forecasting, and efficient logistics. By having complete visibility across the supply chain, manufacturers can minimize lead times, reduce waste, and enhance customer satisfaction. Emergence of 5 grams technology has paved the way for realization of Industry 4.0's vision of smart manufacturing. By embracing 5 grams, manufacturers can achieve higher levels of productivity, efficiency, and flexibility, marking a transformative step towards the future of manufacturing. 6. Enhanced safety and security measures. Along with its numerous benefits, 5 grams also plays a crucial role in enhancing safety and security measures in smart manufacturing. Additionally, 5 grams improved security features ensure the protection of sensitive data and guard against cyber threats. This level of safety and security is essential in maintaining smooth operations and safeguarding the interests of manufacturers and their employees. 7. Edge computing and decentralized processing. The implementation of 5 grams in smart manufacturing brings along the concept of edge computing and decentralized processing. Traditionally, data processing and analytics were performed in centralized cloud servers. However, with the advent of 5 grams, processing closer to the data source becomes possible. This reduces latency and enables real-time decision-making at the edge of the network. 8. Remote workforce enablement. The COVID-19 pandemic has accelerated the need for remote work options in many industries, including manufacturing. With 5 grams, remote work becomes more viable in the manufacturing sector. High-speed, low latency connections enable remote monitoring and control of machinery and equipment. Engineers and operators can remotely troubleshoot and perform maintenance tasks, reducing the need for physical presence on the factory floor. This not only ensures business continuity during unforeseen circumstances but also enables manufacturers to tap into a wider talent pool without geographical constraint. TS 9. Environmental sustainability. Smart manufacturing powered by 5 grams technology has the potential to drive environmental sustainability in the manufacturing industry. Additionally, remote monitoring and predictive maintenance enabled by 5 grams help prevent equipment failures and optimize maintenance schedules, resulting in reduced energy and material waste. The combination of smart manufacturing at 5 grams contributes to a more sustainable and eco-friendly approach to industrial operations. 10. Future potential and challenges. While 5 grams offers immense potential in the realm of smart manufacturing, certain challenges must be addressed for its widespread adoption. The initial deployment of 5 grams infrastructure requires significant